She was told, "Don't touch him. Such a person can eat it." But looking into the eyes of the poor animal, the girl understood that she was his last hope for salvation. A year ago, one Helen was coming home and saw him. The girl was very scared, but found the strength to approach the poor animal. Alibi did not react to her in any way, he just lay there and died. Then the girl ran home without hesitation and went with her sister to rescue the dog. They couldn't get him to get up for a long time. Passers-by shouted for the girls to immediately move away from the dog, because Alibi are very aggressive, this one can eat. But Helen understood that they were his only hope of salvation. And a miracle happened. The dog got up and, staggering, followed the sisters into the car. It was unrealistically difficult to push him there. But in the veterinary clinic, Alibi behaved calmly. When the rescuers stroked him, he closed his eyes and put his face on his hand. During the injections and washing of wounds, the poor thing did not make a sound. At first the dog lived in a barn, but then an aviary was built for him. Called Sam. The dog recovered quickly and became very attached to its new owners. He turned out to be a smart and loyal friend, a real guard. Sam likes to go out, especially with the kids. Now he lives in the midst of attention, love and care. And all thanks to the fact that there are still kind, brave and caring people in the world. Please like and write what you think about it in the comments. Thanks to this video we'll get into the recommendations of YouTube and more people will see this story. Thanks. Happiness to you. Save the animals.